Downed power lines are serious and may result in injury or even death. National Grid wants you to keep these tips in mind to protect you and your loved ones from the dangers of downed electricity wires. Regardless of the situation, remember to always assume power lines are live. Never touch the line or anyone in contact with a downed wire. Take caution when approaching fallen trees, which could have power lines caught in them. And remember that non-conductive materials like wood or cloth can still conduct electricity when wet. Always make sure to avoid touching anything in contact with a downed power line. Even if a line is not sparking or humming, it could still be live. The more distance you keep from a downed line and any objects near a downed line, the better. If you see a downed wire, keep a distance of at least 30 feet and call 911 to get help dealing with the situation. Before doing home repairs, extending a ladder, or hanging holiday decorations, locate overhead wires. Knowing the location of your power lines will help you keep a distance of at least 10 feet so you don't come in contact with them. If you're unsure of which wire is your power line, contact National Grid or your electricity provider. On the road, if you see a downed line, avoid driving over it. If your car does come in contact with a wire while you're inside, stay in the car and call 911. If someone approaches the car, advise them to keep their distance in order to stay safe. If you notice your car on fire and suspect a downed power line is nearby, exit the vehicle quickly by opening the door and jumping out with both feet together, while avoiding contact with the car frame and power line. It's important to keep both feet on the ground at all times and shuffle your feet as you move from the car. Spreading your legs apart increases the risk of conducting electricity, which could result in injury. Also keep in mind that water can conduct electricity. If you notice that a line is down and in a puddle or area of flooding, whether you're exiting your vehicle or walking near it, avoid contact with the water to prevent the risk of shock. No matter the situation, if you see a downed wire, stay away and call 911 or National Grid, and use these tips to stay safe until help arrives.